Welcome to Naseems Accountants YouTube channel, your trusted source for UK tax guidance, business finance tips, and compliance support. Filing your first self-assessment tax return in the UK. Here's what you need to know. Do you need to complete a self-assessment tax return? Not everyone does. To check if you need to file, head over to gov.uk and answer a few quick questions. But if you do need to complete one, make sure you do it on time even if you don't owe any tax. Missing it could result in penalties. Key deadlines to remember. The tax year ends on the 5th of April. You must register for self-assessment by the 5th of October. And file your tax return online by the 31st of January the following year. How to get started. Once you've registered on gov.uk and activated your online account, you're good to go. Make sure you have all your income records ready. This includes salary, self-employment income, dividends, rental income, and more. Log in using the user ID and password you received when registering. The online system will guide you step by step. If you make a mistake, the system highlights it. For example, a wrongly entered date of birth will show a red box. Each screen has helpful prompts and links for extra guidance. Tailor your return. You'll be asked a series of yes/no questions. This helps customize your return so you only complete the sections relevant to you. Don't worry, you can save your progress with the Save and Continue button and return later. Before submitting, use the View Your Calculation option to check how much tax you owe, if any. When ready, head to the Submit Return section and enter your login details to send it off to HMRC. You'll receive a confirmation message once it's been successfully submitted. Done. It's that simple, and you've just ticked off a major box on your financial to-do list. Want extra guidance or a stress-free self-assessment experience? Book a free consultation with our tax experts today. Call us on 01217714161 or visit naseems.co.uk for personalized support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tax tips from Naseems Accountants.